What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for an easy way to take a daily multivitamin, check this out. All right, I like taking a multivitamin when I remember. Sometimes I put them in the drawer and totally forget. So that's why I like setting them out sometimes. But, taking a multivitamin usually is kind of a large compressed pill of all sorts of stuff. And you've got to find some water. But gummies, I'm loving because they are delicious and sometimes tempt you to take more than you should. Now, I picked this up because I've never tried these out. They're by Centrum. That's a name you know in the Vita world. They make a lot of stuff. I remember in college, my buddy, his mother sent him a bottle of Centrum Silver, and he's like, what am I, a senior citizen? So, which he wasn't. But I don't know why vitamins are so discriminatory on age. Anyway, listen, hey, this is just a generic multivitamin by Centrum. I think they're for anyone. It doesn't say like men or women. 150 gummies in here. This thing was about 16 or 17 bucks. So they weren't the cheapest gummy multivitamins, and you know that I like some of them. They do come sealed here. But I wanted to just check these out, see what they tasted like. I will tell you that the VitaFusion ones are delicious, so they're really easy to take, but I'm out of those now. And so I thought I would try these out. And as you might be able to see in there, we do have different colors of vitamins, some lighter and darker ones. And they seem, they're actually like shell-shaped. Not shell-shocked, shell-shaped. These are like dots. The dark ones look like berries, kind of like little mountains. So, in the interest of preserving my health, I'm going to try one. I'm going to express what they taste like, but I'm actually going to try a couple, and I might overdose on my daily vitamin, but that's what we're doing here at the Research Institute. They are kind of chewy. They're actually more gummy than the VitaFusion ones, which kind of are almost a little more like candy. They kind of collapse a little quicker. These aren't as chewy as like a Haribo gummy bear or anything like that, but they're a little chewy. Tastes pretty good. I don't have any weird aftertaste or anything like that. That was pretty delicious. That was like one of these kind of orange, middle of the road ones. Now I'm going to try the darker one, the berry. It's a little bit of chew on that bad boy, but that has a stronger dark berry flavor to it, which you'd expect, associating the color with the taste. Hey, these are pretty good. I definitely think I would be more inclined to take my daily vitamin if they look like this and tasted like this. So if you want to pick this up and you're an adult, adults only, check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.